Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to design this modern pencil box in SolidWorks. If you are into product design or want to improve your SolidWorks skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Before we start, let's aim for 25 likes on this video. Our first step will be a base. Select center rectangle, draw a center rectangle, and the dimension is 79 by 79. So make sure you have used tab button, and the fillet radius will be 10. Select all the four edges and OK. Now go to the extrude boss and the extrude it up to 138 mm and OK. Select this face, draw a one center line, convert it into a construction geometry. Again draw a one center rectangle. This time the distance is 86 mm both line and OK, and the fillet radius will be 30 mm. Select all and hit the green check. Go to extrude, extrude up to 2 mm and OK. Select this face. I am going to offset entity 5 mm, reverse the direction and OK. Now I am going to use extrude cut feature. Go to the extrude cut, select our gauge and offset from surface. I want to select this bottom face and the distance will be 2 mm. If you can use a shell feature as well. Go to the appearances, select this. I'm going to use light gray high gloss plastic and the color will be something like half 25% dark, so it looks cool. The next step, I'm going to use 3-face fillet. Select this face, second face will be this and the third face will be bottom face and OK. Again I am going to use a fillet again, this time normal fillet, and the fillet radius is 1 mm and select this bottom edge and OK. Now isometric view, select this face, draw a corner rectangle somewhere here. Now the distance from this edge to that edge is 41 and this horizontal line will be 2 and the vertical line will be 3 mm. So our sketch is fully defined. I am going to use linear pattern. Entities to pattern, select these and the space will be 2.5 mm and reverse the direction. I am going to number of pattern will be 17 and OK. The next step, I am going to use extrude cut feature and drag it. Perfect. Select this face, and convert it convert entities and use extrude cut feature and up to next. It will not cut from the other side. Isometric view. Again go to the linear pattern, select this edge, select this, again go to linear pattern, select this edge, features to face, select this, cut extrude and both, and the spacing will be 3.5 and drag it up to 39 and OK. Even select extrude 3 also. It will take time because there are number of extrude cut features we have used. If you please do a like video if you enjoy this tutorial, if you learn something new. To render a high quality, select render tools. I'm going to render this image. I'm going to select this color dark and OK. It looks cool. Render pencil box A and save it. Portable network graphics media, and the resolution will be 1920 1080p and OK. It will generate a high quality. OK. Visualization render progress has been completed. Now I'm going to open this folder. Pencil box A. As you can see, we have completed this project.